Good evening guys, so let's start from here and check what happened. Okay, so with our code for today, it was 18 came, then 16 came on Betway, then code 139. Just imagine guys, only one simple code gave us how many numbers? If you can check, it was what do you call a spin. 31 came, 39 came, 18. Actually, it was code 139 or code 139, which means even though you can say 18 plus 9, we could have got let me see, that's a 22. So 22 did not come. So this thing which they did here was actually accurate. It's just that Tina, we did not follow exactly what we were supposed to follow. I was just closing here, someone is making some noise and I'm busy recording a video. Okay, so let me just close properly there. Then approach Twitter, because I see you guys are complaining, Coach, why are not posting tea? And sometimes that we have spare time, then I'll do that. Okay, anyway, without wasting time, let's do this. Let's go here. Then you're gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what we do here is we add 1 plus 2 is a 3. So we write down our 3 there. 2 plus 18 is a 20, which is our banker for tonight. We put the 20 down. Then we say 25 plus 3 is a 28, which is our second banker. 28. I know what I'm doing here, guys, don't stress. 28, then is 20. Then we say 4 plus 31 is 35. We put 35 down. We say 5 plus 34, it gives us what? A 39. So if it gives us a 39, we have to divide it by 2 because it has dropped. And even though this number is an odd, so if you divide it by 2, it will give us 17.5, if I'm not mistaken. So which means 17.5. I'll show you what I mean about that. Then we say 39 plus 6, we get a 45. 45 has already dropped. We divide it by 2. We're going to get a 22.5. Yes, it's 22.5. These numbers now, they're going to have commas. Okay, cool. Then after that, we will go here. So I'm just having one code for tea time. I'm only having one code for tea time. So let me add these numbers here. I'm going to add 20. I'm going to add 17. I also add 22, just in case, because it's 7 numbers, 6 numbers plus bonus, which is what I just decided to predict for today. Okay, so in this case now, guys, our code is 128. What comes into your mind? We're going to say 12 plus 8. We get a 20, which you already have there. We say 12 minus 8. We get a 4, which you already have there. So this 4 is either going to say 4 or 40. Then we say 1 plus 28. We get a 29. 1 minus 28, we get a 27. So now 27 dropped yesterday. I'm going to use the home figures of 27, which is going to be 9, the show number. The home figures of 29 is an 11 because 29 dropped yesterday. So if we use the home figure of 29 is an 11, home figure of 27 is a 9. So out of that code, let us go back and say code 128. We're now going to say 1 plus 2, we get a 3. We take that 3, we get what? A 28, a 38. So this 38 might as well come on UK Fortnite Betway or branch. I don't know what they call, but something like that. Then there is the other part now, which you must understand. If it's Helen, guys, I always say this. 28. That's how she lists the numbers. Or 43. Do you see that? So For example, our bankers for is 28. You say 28 bonus 43. Then, before we jump over to that side, let me just write this. Follow the link. Follow the link, not link. The link. Link in the first comment. In the first comment to join the group. Join the group or purchase the books. The group is not free. It's a VIP group. So you cannot say VIP group is for free. It's not like everyone is just going to be there for free. No, we can't do that. Okay, cool. Then, now, I think I've shown you everything. For example, our banker is 28 or 20. Let's go to the pairing app and see if this is going to give us some sense. We press the T there. We click there. We say T. We go to the triplets. So we go to number 28. Actually, let's start from number 20. 20 there. So we're going to highlight all the 20s there. So do you see there's 20 from 20, 22, 40, 20, 25, 44, 20, 33, 34. So it's like you check the pairing. We are not done yet. We go to 28. So they did not put, they only hit one line for 28. So what you do, you strike here and put 150. Once you say 150, then it's going to open up more lines for 28. So this is what we have for 28. We have 32, we have 28, 32, 37, 28, 32, 39, 28, 39, 49. You see, because this code 139 is still hot, because now it gives us a 40 here and it gives us a 38. If we add those numbers, it gives us a 22. You see, that is why I was like, let me just be careful with that and try to. So there's one simple thing that I want to teach you guys of dividing the bonus ball. So I'm going to divide this bonus ball. Let me see. I use this bonus ball. The bonus ball was 30. So I'm going to say 30 divided by 27.5. Let's see what we get. So if we divide by 27.5, the bonus ball was 30 divided by 27.5. You get it's a million something, but which means on my side it shows me that the 9 is dropping as a good number. It can be better, it can be UK49. So guys, this is what it is. I've tried my best at least to give you a video for T, because you guys were complaining and saying, Coach, why are you not posting T? So I did post T. Thank you very much guys. I'll meet you in the next one. Thank you.